Today, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to automatically hide your Windows taskbar, making it only appear when you need it. First of all, go to Windows Search Bar and Search Settings. In the Settings menu, look for and click the category labeled Personalization. On the Personalization screen, look for the option labeled Taskbar. You may need to scroll down slightly to find it. Now, simply check the box that says Automatically Hide the Taskbar. You'll see the taskbar disappear instantly. It's that easy. Your taskbar is now hidden. It will only reappear when you move your mouse to the bottom of the screen, giving you full access to all your open windows and applications.